scientists were above it all. The honest ones. The people we trust with our lives and our health. They follow the evidence, right? No matter where it leads. But what if I told you that in the 1960s, three of the most respected scientists at Harvard University took secret payments from the sugar industry, worth around $50,000 in today's money, to deliberately downplay the dangers of sugar and shift all the blame onto fat? For over 50 years, we were told butter was the enemy. Eggs were dangerous. Red meat would kill you. Meanwhile, sugar was poured into everything. Low-fat yogurts, cereals, juices, snacks. Food companies made billions, and we got sicker. Obesity rates tripled. Diabetes exploded. Heart disease became the #1 killer. This wasn't an accident. It was bought and paid for. Today, we're exposing the full Harvard sugar scandal, the hidden letters, the rigged research, and exactly how excessive sugar is damaging your body right now. If you've ever wondered why we're in the middle of an obesity epidemic, this is why. Stay with me. This will change how you see every food label. Welcome to Undiscovered Wonders. We dig deep into hidden stories big industries tried to bury. If you're tired of being misled about your health, you're in the right place. It all started in the early 1960s. Heart disease was skyrocketing in America. Scientists were racing to find the cause. One brave researcher, John Yudkin from the UK, published evidence showing sugar, not fat, was the real problem. His 1972 book, Pure, White, and Deadly, warned that sugar caused obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and even tooth decay. He was shouted down, called a quack. Why? Because the sugar industry was terrified. The Sugar Research Foundation, now called the Sugar Association, saw Yudkin's work as an existential threat. Internal documents discovered their secret plan, Project 226. They paid three influential Harvard nutrition scientists, Dr. Mark Hegsted, Dr. Frederick Stare, Dr. Robert McGandhi, about $6,500 in 1960s money. That's roughly $50,000 today. This wasn't pocket change. This was serious money for the time. Their assignment? Review all existing studies on sugar, fat, and heart disease. But make sure the final paper minimized sugar's role and emphasized saturated fat and cholesterol as the main culprits. The industry reviewed every draft. They edited sections that were too critical of sugar. They handpicked which studies to include and which to ignore. In 1967, the Harvard team's review was published in the New England Journal of Medicine. 2 parts, highly influential. It declared there was no doubt that cutting fat and cholesterol was the only dietary change needed to prevent heart disease. Sugar's risks, barely mentioned. Crucially, they disclosed no conflict of interest. Journals didn't require it back then. This one paid for review shaped everything that followed. U.S. government dietary guidelines in the 1970s and 80s, the low-fat food boom, the food pyramid that pushed carbs and sugars. Food companies stripped fat from products and replaced it with sugar to keep them tasty. Sales soared. We only learned the full truth in 2016 when Dr. Kristen Kearns at UCSF uncovered thousands of pages of archived letters and memos. It was exactly like the tobacco files. Deliberate deception funded by big money. Even today, the Sugar Association admits funding research was common practice, but they still downplay how corrupt it was. Now you know how they hid it. Let's break down step by step what excessive added sugar actually does inside your body. First, natural sugars in whole fruit are fine because of fiber, but added sugars and high fructose corn syrup in processed foods? That's the danger. 1. You drink a soda or eat a candy bar. Blood sugar spikes fast. Your pancreas floods your body with insulin. 2. Fructose, half of table sugar, and most corn syrup goes straight to your liver. Unlike glucose, your liver turns excess fructose directly into fat. That's how non-alcoholic fatty liver disease starts, now affecting 1 in 3 adults and even kids. 3. Those insulin spikes tell your body store fat now, especially around the belly. Sugar also never makes you feel truly full, so you keep eating more calories than you realize. 4. Chronic inflammation starts. Excess sugar triggers inflammatory chemicals everywhere, damaging arteries, raising blood pressure, and building plaque. The real trigger for most heart attacks. One huge study showed people getting 25% or more calories from added sugar had almost 3 times the risk of dying from heart disease. 5. Over months and years, your cells stop listening to insulin resistance. Blood sugar stays high. Type 2 diabetes arrives. Since the low-fat era began, diabetes rates have quadrupled. It keeps going. Sugar feeds cancer cells, worsens acne, triggers gout, breaks down collagen so your skin ages faster, and even messes with your brain, linked to anxiety, depression, and memory problems. Today, the average person eats 17 teaspoons of added sugar every single day, triple the recommended limit. No wonder obesity tripled since the 1970s. The Harvard scandal delayed the world from the truth for 2 generations. The Harvard sugar scandal shows how money can twist even the most trusted institutions. Scientists aren't always impartial, and industry influence still happens today, though at least disclosures are required now. But now you know. You can protect yourself. Read every label, ditch sugary drinks first, choose whole foods, cook at home. Your body will thank you faster than you think. If this video shocked you the way it shocked me, smash that like button to spread the truth. Share it with someone still scared of eggs but drinking soda all day. Subscribe to Undiscovered Wonders right now and hit the bell. We expose more hidden health scandals and big lies every single week. Comment below. Were you surprised Harvard scientists took money to lie? What's one sugary thing you're cutting out today? I read every single comment and heart the best ones. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay healthy, and always question what they tell you to eat.